So I got cut off. But I see that building, the old rec center, at least right here, is the pool. See? I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. They just like have everything here. So I think I'm understanding or feeling it. It's like our worlds get rocked because we feel the things, The defiant righteous expect a payment. And but that's not the true expression, the true nature of God. So I guess it behooves to find what in actuality is the true nature of God. But in essence, I think that we are all relating to the defiant nature, the defiant righteous. And the true nature of God is like so gentle, so simple, sweet. The element of being is so innocent that we cannot simply trust it. Cannot simply trust it when there's, an ogre in our midst. What a pretty tree. So I don't know where I'm going with that. I just wanted to share that and talk to somebody. So you hang in there, okay? Talk to you later.